Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your WordPress website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up 301 redirect on your WordPress website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up 301 redirects anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using a WordPress website, you know that sometimes you have to change the URL or slugs, and instead of having broken links, you can 301 redirect. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WordPress admin. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Already logged into my WordPress website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up 301 redirects, I usually use a plugin. It's called Redirection. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. But basically what you're going to do is here on the left side, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Okay, here on the search bar, type in redirection. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and search. Okay, so here is the plugin that I use. There's probably a few of them that offer the service. This is the only one that I've used, and you just want to click on install now. Okay, and go ahead and activate the plugin. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and click on installed plugins, and once you do that, scroll down to redirection. Okay, so here it is, and you want to click on settings. Okay, here they give you a little bit of directions on this. So they let you know the source URL is going to be the old slug or old URL, and the target is going to be the new URL. And in order to access this plugin, here on the left menu, you want to click on tools, and then once you click on tools, you can click on redirection. Okay, on the initial setup, they're going to go ahead and process some redirects for you. So click on start setup. Okay, so this, it can automatically set up redirection for you. So I usually click that. Here you can keep a log and then click on continue. Okay, so if you have other redirects that you used previously, you can go ahead and import those. I usually do that and then click on continue and then finish setup. Okay, it's processing. Okay, great. Installation complete. Click on ready to begin. Okay, so here are all of the 301 that automatically set up. But if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to be able to set up a new 301 redirect. So here we can put in the old URL. So if you changed a URL or a slug, you can put in the old or previous one here. So old slug. And then what you want to do is type in the new URL. So new slug URL. All right. Once you do that, you want to click on add redirect. So anything that goes here to the old URL, any old traffic or old links, it'll be redirected to this new link right here. So that's going to help avoid any kind of 404 errors showing up when someone goes to the old URL. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a 301 redirect in your WordPress website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.